scan it.
See?
Look, a brachio. Please help me, brachio.
Brachiosaurus live there?
I don't know. What does it say?
The Brachiosaurus are right here, and Allosaurus is right here.
Brachio seems friendly. With 2 fish. How many are missing?
One is missing.
One, good job. Which is the lower number?
Lower. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is lower.
5.
Ooh. Oh, there's I. Hey.
I.
L M.
M. Swim.
Swim. That's it. I'm real good now. Yeah.
Good job.
It's an anchor. It's an anchor.